बहुत रेलेवेंट है, लेकिन आपको with the passage of the time, how things change, you have to understand that. See, in 1970 and 79 when I came here, I came twice. Goa had 1 or 2 airlines coming and landing here. Highway was almost non-existent those days. Normal roads. There's one lake, Mahim Lake, and then some beaches. So I went and saw all these places. There were nothing called world-class infrastructure those days. So the numbers of tourists were very less. Now, the numbers of tourists have increased by multifold, like more than 100 times. And people's aspiration, people's requirement, people's need, everything increases. So when the tourist increases, there will be or there's a potential to have an impact on the environment. So sustainable tourism growth is the most important thing we should keep in our mind when we are developing tourism industry. So environmental protection, sustainability, these are important. So most of our projects these days you might have seen, all the projects, look at the airport, how environment friendly the airport has been made. You see the roads, how the beautiful trees and other forests are maintained just alongside the road. These are very important aspects of development. In the name of development, you cannot just throw away the environmental concern. So that is why to make Goa a world-class destination, we must develop in a sustainable manner, and for that we need world-class infrastructure, keeping in mind the environmental requirements. तो इसलिए 1979 और आज का परिस्थिति देखिए, मैंने बदलाव बीजेपी का समय ही देखा है. कांग्रेस का समय में तो दे नेवर थिंक अबाउट बिल्डिंग वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. वो सिर्फ टैक्स ले लेकर के अपना पॉकेट गर्म करने में बिजी रहता है कांग्रेस पार्टी. हम लोग ने देश बदल दिया. आप देखो, अभी गोवा क्रॉस कर दिया, यू गो टू कर्नाटका, यू गो टू महाराष्ट्र, वर्ल्ड क्लास हाईवेज. Not only in Goa, just go to the rural areas. The country has changed. I come from Northeast India. The officers of Goa and officers of my state are same, UT cadre. All the officers, chief secretaries, commissioners, all these directors who are in Goa, they all have served in our battle. So we are a common service by common officers. So I know how Goa has transformed under BJP and how Goa suffered during Congress time. I sometimes would like to thank God also that BJP government came to power in Goa and took all necessary steps which were necessary for sustaining Goa's development. Otherwise, Goa would have collapsed if Congress had continued.